Hi everyone! Today we are going to make the Lun slimy pot jelly. It's decorated with stylish colors like pink, purple, and light blue, along with cute illustrations. Edible slime jelly, no doubt they are always delicious. Alright, let's open it up right away. It comes in a cute, transparent plastic container. Wow! Inside, we've got the slime mix powder, the color-changing powder, a cute heart-shaped spoon, an instruction sheet, and some colorful mints. I'm so excited! Okay, let's start making it. First, fill the container with water up to the inner line, about this much. Next, add the slime mix powder. The powder has a sweet peach fragrance. Let's mix it well. Oh, it's turning a bluish purple. So cool! Keep stirring until there are no clumps, then wait for 1 minute. But I have a bad feeling about this. These big clumps just won't go away, no matter how much I crush them with the spoon or stir around. Wait, did a full minute already pass? Wow, it's really stretchy, like mochi. That's so fun! The clumps didn't completely disappear, but let's move on to the next step. Now, we will add the color-changing powder to this slime jelly. I wonder what color it will change to from this bluish purple. Let's find out. Mixing it in. Oh, it's starting to turn pink. Keep stirring so the color becomes even. It looks so chewy and delicious. But even if the color doesn't become completely even, leaving it marbled could look nice too. Alright, that should do it. Not bad, right? Look at this texture. It's so bouncy. I can't wait to taste it. Finally, it's time for the colorful mint topping. Wow! Sprinkle them on top of the slime jelly. These mints are so bright and cute. I'm getting excited already. This would definitely look amazing on a social media. The squishy slime jelly is so fun to mix. Okay, let's give it a try. Itadakimasu. This is delicious. The chewy texture of the slime jelly and crunchy mints make an amazing combination. It's so tasty, I just can't stop eating. On this channel, I introduce lots of other Japanese DIY candy kits too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!